Hi, kids! Welcome to a fun adventure where we'll learn numbers with colors and shapes. Today, we'll count from 1 to 10 and discover how numbers magically transform into exciting things. Are you ready? Let's begin this colorful counting journey together. Let's start with the number 1. Look, here's a big, bright one. Oh wow, a shiny sun. The sun is round, just like a circle. One sun, one circle. Say it with me. One sun, one circle. Now, let's see 2. Here's the number 2. Look, 2 green apples. Apples can be oval-shaped. 2 apples, 2 ovals. Let's say it together. 2 apples, 2 ovals. What comes next? 3. Look at these 3 balloons. They are shaped like triangles when they float together. 3 balloons, 3 triangles. Here's 4. 4 cars. Their wheels are circles. 4 cars, 4 circles. And now, 5. 5 glowing stars. They are shaped like stars. 5 stars, 5 stars. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fun counting activity. Let's count together. Say the numbers with me. Look, here comes a bouncing ball. How many do you see? Just 1. Now, here come 2 apples. Let's count. 1, 2. Oh, wow. 3 colorful triangles are floating. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Now, watch as 4 shining stars twinkle. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, 5 little ducks are swimming. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! You're amazing. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep practicing and you'll be a counting star. Numbers 6 to 10. Great job, kids. Now let's count from 6 to 10. Here's 6. 6 colorful cars. Can you see their wheels? Yes, they are circles. 6 cars, 6 circles. Now let's find 7. Look, 7 rainbows. Each rainbow has a beautiful arch shape. 7 rainbows, 7 arches. What's next? 8. Here are 8 stop signs. Stop signs are shaped like octagons. 8 signs, 8 octagons. Now comes 9. Look, 9 floating balloons. What shape do they make together? Ovals. 9 balloons, 9 ovals. And finally, 10. 10 twinkling stars. 10 stars, 10 stars. Awesome. Let's count once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Colors mix-up game. Wow, now let's play a fun game. Look at all these shapes and colors. Can you find the red square? Look closely. Yes, there it is. Great job. Now, where's the blue triangle? Point to it. Yes. You got it. Let's try another. Tap the yellow star. Did you find it? Amazing. One more challenge. Who can spot the green circle? Wow, you are so smart. Keep playing and learning. Shapes and colors are so much fun. Great job, kids. Today, we counted from 1 to 10 and learned about shapes and colors. You did amazing. You are super smart. Keep practicing and having fun. Come back soon for more exciting learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.